It's storm season in the Midwest, and in today's video, I'm going to share some valuable information that you'll need to know if you're buying a home or if you currently own a home. And we're going to get started right now. My name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Omaha, Nebraska. Now let's jump into today's topic. If you own a home or if you're buying a home, one of the requirements if you're financing the property is going to be homeowners insurance. A couple of things to keep in mind. Now, people are taught to shop around. You want to be very careful about what you're shopping for, especially when it comes to homeowners insurance. You want to shop policy and not just rate. In other words, you want the best policy for the best rate. Now, there's two types of coverage. ACV, which stands for actual cash value, and replacement coverage. Okay, let me explain the difference. Now, I learned this lesson the hard way with one of my rental properties. Okay, about 8 years ago, I had a fire at one of my rental properties. Now, thankfully, no one was hurt. Okay, turns out I had about $20,000 worth of damage. Now, I had ACV coverage, which means the insurance company depreciated the property and I received about $8,000 from the insurance company. I had to come out of pocket with the other $12,000. If I had replacement coverage, then the insurance company would have covered the entire amount of $20,000. Okay, long story short, I had a lower premium with ACV coverage, but given the situation, it cost me more in the long run. Now, if you own a home, for example, we had a thunderstorm a few days back, or if you suspect damage, or if you're not sure if damage has been done, for example, let's say to your roof, your very first call should be to a local, licensed, and insured roofing contractor. Let the contractor come out first and see if you have damage to file a claim. Do not call your insurance company. Here's another thing you need to be aware of. Some insurance companies will say you have a $2,500 deductible, but in fine print, it will be a percentage of the value of the home in certain circumstances. For example, let's say you have a $2,500 deductible, except for wind and hail, then it's 2% of the value of the home. So let's say you have a $400,000 home and you file a claim for hail. Then in that case, your deductible would be $8,000. Okay, here's another thing you need to be aware of. If you have a contractor come out to assess the damage, never sign an AOI. AOI stands for Assignment of Insurance. This means you're signing over control of the claims process to the contractor, and it could mean that you have very little say in the claims process. Let's say a storm came in and you do have damage to your property. You want to make sure you repair that damage immediately. Okay, it is your responsibility to mitigate the damages to make sure that it doesn't cause any more damage to the property. Okay, for example, if a tree fell on your home and it's causing an active leak, if you didn't repair it immediately or do something about the leak, and let's say it rained the next day and caused even more damage, the insurance company, it will not pay for that additional damage. You want to make sure you order your home insurance right away. And if you're buying a home, it doesn't hurt to get a second opinion on your homeowner's insurance policy. Okay, for example, with NR Insurance, one of the benefits they will do for you at no charge is they will run a clue report. Okay, a clue report is like an insurance history of the property. So you can see if the previous owners filed any claims on the home. Maybe they filed a claim for the roof and the repairs were never made. Well, a clue report is going to tell you that. And if you'd like to have the contact information to NR Insurance, I'll leave a link in the description. If you have owned a home for any length of time, be sure to keep your insurance updated. Your home has gone up in value. You may not have the right amount of coverage because your home has gone up in value. Again, you want to contact your trusted insurance provider or reach out to the folks at NR Insurance for a free quote. Okay, speaking of home values, I'll drop a link in the description to a tool called HomeBot. It's free and there's no obligation, and you'll get a monthly update to the value of your home. Okay, be sure to check out this video next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. I really appreciate your support, and you make it a great day.